Pry open the display frame. Unscrew the display screen hardware bracket fixing screw. Remove the hardware bracket. Unscrew the button panel fixing screws on both sides. Remove the button panel. Remove the trim panels on both sides of the side. Remove the air conditioner control frame. Unscrew the air conditioner control panel fixing screw. Remove the control panel. Unscrew the display screen fixing screw. Unscrew the CD host fixing screw. Remove the display. Remove the CD host. Disassemble the display screen of the original car. Unscrew the fixing screw. Remove the shell. Buckle up. Remove the cable. Unscrew all the fixing screws of the circuit board. Push down and take out the circuit board. Unscrew the fixing screw. Take out the circuit board. Open our hardware frame. Unscrew the fixing screw. Open the hardware frame. Install the circuit board fixing screws. Install a large circuit board. Match the upper plug hole position. Fix all screws. All screws are fixed. Close the cover. Fixed cover screw. Transfer AUX line. Install our air conditioner screen base bracket. Fixing bracket screw. Take out the buckle along the car air conditioner face frame, installed on our air conditioner screen. Plug in air conditioner screen power cord. Install the air conditioner screen. Install the decorative panels on both sides. Remove the small cover of the original car. Install it on the frame of our display screen. Remove the buckle of the original car display screen frame. Put it on our face frame. Install the right hardware bracket fixing screw. Socket cable, blue side up, buckle down. Display screen docking card slot audio cable. The audio cable needs to be connected to the microphone. Microphone on a post. GPS antenna if GPS is not positioned. Just put the GPS next to the D-pillar in the trunk. 4 grams antenna. Power cord. Panel button adapter cable. Install the hardware frame. Fixing screw. If the original car has an adapter cable, unplug it. Yes, plug it into our power cord. Connect to the left button panel plug of the original car. Remove the button panel along the right side of the car. Don't plug it back in along the line. Install the display screen to see the overall effect.